we have a Coinco Quantum 700 series or a Coinco Quantum Pro 4-tube MBB coin mech. Model number on the side of this is a USD-G702. This particular coin mech is a decent option for a 4-tube coin mech if you've got a higher volume account that, you know, needs 4 tubes, you know, particularly if you need a gold dollar tube. So we'll just go through some basic troubleshooting, maintenance, operation of this coin mech. I'll go ahead and connect it to my bench tester. We'll run. Maybe it wasn't ready. Run a gold dollar through it, goes into its tube. Run a quarter in it. Run another quarter. Nickel. Dime. Now, this coin mech in particular is very notorious for having problems with the payouts. And with the payouts I mean is, if you can look and see, there's 2 gears, this little gear and that little gear. What that gear does is it spins halfway this way, just long enough to let this coin fall out, and then it spins back into place to hold the rest of the coins in place. If you have coins that are dinged along the edges, they're not perfectly round, you know, it's a little rough, that's going to cause you some real problems. So if you're having payout problems, check your bottom coin, throw it out. Well, you know, take it out of the coin mech at the very least. Also, you know, if you're having problems with these things, it may be time to send the thing in because those gears do burn out. One thing I will forewarn with this coin mech is never buy one of these coin mechs not refurbished by Coinco themselves. Independent operators will claim that they have rebuilt this unit, but they absolutely cannot. What they're doing is taking another unit from their scrap pile, taking good parts out of it, and putting in here, so they're cannibalizing the unit. Coinco does not sell their parts or their technologies, so nobody but Coinco can change these coin tubes, you know, and reprogram the unit to give different tubes. So for say you got a coin mech in that has, you know, quarter, nickel, dime instead of mine is dollar, and you want to convert it to a gold dollar, the only people that can do that is Coinco. You can't take that to an independent repair shop or operator and they can do that for you. Maybe they'll switch you for, you know, one that's and charge you something, but they absolutely cannot do that themselves. So please be very wary of independent people who are selling this coin mech who claim that it has been refurbished in-house. This particular one in front of us we sent back to Coinco and was refurbished. That's why it says Q Pro equipped, which means they updated the electronics. This now has all the brand new settings of the black Coinco Quantum Pro, but it's just in the old Quantum 700 series housing. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on for you real quick. If you're having problems with this coin mech, it's running through its cycle. Okay. So, check to make sure this LED light is on, solid. If it's not on, if it's blinking, you have a problem. This thing doesn't have diagnostics label on it. You know, so if it's blinking, you know, go ahead and check the connection with your machine. Check all kinds of things. You know, you can check a lot of things to make sure that it's, you know, working to see what can happen. If you go ahead and hit and hold this first lever, it will start auto dispensing tube number 1, which in my case is gold dollar. This will do tube number 2, tube number 3, and tube number 4. So if your coin mech is not accepting, go ahead and flip this open right here. It's kind of hard to see in the video. I'll show you. There's 2 magnets right here, and there's there's 2 on the inside of this also. This is the flight deck. Clean this out really well with a damp cloth, because coins fall in there over time, and the coin dust gets over the magnets and it can't read them. That could be the problem. Also, fold this down. You can take this out, and you can, oh, here's where my coins went earlier. Spray this out with an air hose to make sure that everything is okay. You know, you can remove this flight deck right here. I'm not going to do it because mine's plugged in. Never do this while you're plugged in. Pull this flight deck out. you know, if for some reason you need to gain better access to it. So we have this coin mech available for sale on our website with free shipping at buyvendingmachinesonline.com. We have this unit available in the used as is terminology. We have it as clean, tested, working, and we have it as factory Coinco refurbished. So go ahead, I'll put a link to that in the description if you need one of those coin mechs.